Hello, welcome all of you, and very good morning, and happy to see this that very crucial time of coronavirus. All of you are very much interested to increase your knowledge and add some new for your brain bucket. So, start with the topic our digital marketing and online sales. Myself, Dr. Atul Kumar Misra. So, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the act of promoting and selling product and service by leveraging online marketing tactics such as social media marketing, search marketing, and email marketing. Tools of digital marketing. All of you know the tools of digital marketing is make your business come to life online with a website. To make a website, first we need a suitable name or the web address is called domain name. What is domain name? A domain name is your website name. A domain name is the address where internet user can access your website. For example, when you are a bakery business, so the user search the product, bread manufacturer or biscuits manufacturer and XYZ for related name your product. So a domain name is used for finding and identifying computers on the internet. Computers use IP address which are a series of numbers. However, it is difficult for humans to remember strings and numbers. Because of this, domain names were developed and used to identify entities on the internet rather than using IP address. A domain name can be any combination of letters and numbers. It can be used in combination of the various domain name extensions such as .com, .net and more. There are the websites for you can use for buying hosting space and domain names. BigRock.in, DomainRacer.com, GoDaddy.com, Bluehost.in, ResellerClub.in, GenNetLab.in, iPage.com, HostGator.in, HostCat.in, Net4.in. Increase reach and traffic on website need SEO. Your picture is not done. If you can make a good website, you can you can buy a proper domain name, but the traffic is not arrival on your website, there is no need for the making website. The purpose is not solved for making a website. So we need SEO. SEO means you all of know search engine optimization. Search engine optimization also plays a big role in how digital marketing works. If you want to reach and convert consumers the digital age, you will need to start with the search engine. A recent research study by Forrester found that 71% of consumers start their buyer journey on search engine like Google. If you are not taking the right step to improve your site's SEO, then you may be missing out on a powerful opportunity to reach a significant amount of leads. Search engine optimization is the process of optimizing your site's content so that it appeals to search engines. The end goal is to rank higher on the search engine results page SERP to increase visibility in your target market. The higher your rank on the search engine ranking preference, the more organic traffic you can drive back to your website. Search engine optimization not only brings more traffic to your website, but it also helps ensure that the leads you are bringing in are of a higher quality. The goal of digital marketing is to attract those who are right for your products or services, and SEO plays an important role in doing just that. By emphasizing certain keywords and topics within your content, you can work to reach those online who are most likely to be interested in your product or services. What are SEO keywords? This is very important. The proper keyword are implementation in your website, because your product name is your keyword. If you are making cycle, so person search cycle, but the your real product is bicycle. So when a person searching cycle, there are different types of search results are there, like motorcycle, like electrical cycle. So the chances is rare to promote your websites, to find out your website to the target client. So best keywords are put your website help into promotion. So your SEO keywords are the keywords and paras in your web content that make it possible for people to find your site via search engines. A website that is well optimized for search engines speaks the same language as its potential visitor base with keywords. For SEO that help connect searchers to your sites, keywords are one of the main elements of SEO. In other words, you need to know how people are looking for the product, service, or information that you offer in order to make it easy for them to find your. Otherwise, they all land on one of the many other pages in the Google results. Implementing keyword SEO will help your site rank over and competitors. This is why developing a list of keywords is one of the first and most important steps in any search engine optimization initiative. Keywords and SEO are directly connected when it comes to running a winning search marketing campaign, because keywords are foundation for all your other SEO efforts. It's well worth the time and investment to ensure your SEO keywords are highly relevant to your audience and effectively organized for the action. The main importance part for any websites, any SEO marketing, SEO media, SEO platform, a good website, the soul of the searching, soul of the site, soul of the content is content writing or content marketing. Content marketing is another important tactic that plays a significant role in how digital marketing works. Content marketing is essentially when your business creates and promotes certain content assets that are aimed at attracting and engaging your target customers. These content assets can be created for a number of different purposes, including generating brand awareness, growing site traffic, boosting leads, or retaining customers. Here are just a few types of content marketing that you might create to support your digital marketing campaign goals: website pages, blog posts, social media posts, ebooks, white papers, case studies, testimonials, videos, images, infographics, podcast, ad contents. The key to creating great content assets that help support your digital marketing campaign is the strategically choosing topics that appeal most to your audience. If you have not already, make sure that you do some targets audience researchers and even create customers persons to ensure that you know your customers well and can identify what types of content will attract and engage them at each step in the buyer's journey. So the man is very popular in young generation is a social media marketing. Most brands today are using social media marketing to support their digital marketing campaigns and drive more traffic to their websites. Social media marketing involves promoting your content and engaging with your target consumers on social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. This tactic is used to digital marketing to help business increase brand awareness, generate more leads, and improve customer engagement. Social media marketing also helps to promote your website, promote your product, promote your services on your target audience. It also helps to increase your SEO search, your online ranking, your digital marketing results. One of the biggest appeals of social media marketing is that it allows business to reach a wider audience online. For example, 79% of American internet users are active on Facebook. If your business is not trying to reach and engage these consumers on the social platform, then you are certainly missing out on an important opportunity to reach new leads. For example, you are a jewelry shop. Yeah, you are a manufacturer of artificial jewelry. You have a good website, you have a good content, but you are not engaging on the site social media like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Most of young generation are searching day by day WhatsApp, Facebook, but you are not there. If you are promoting your sites, your products, your contents, your services on this platform, this also helps to promote you and also increase your sales. How social media marketing can help you meet your marketing goals? Social media marketing can help with a number of goals such as increasing website traffic, building conversion, raising brand awareness, creating a brand identity and positive brand association, improving communication and interaction with key audiences. The bigger and more engaged your audience is on social media networks, the easier it will be for you to achieve every other marketing goal on your list. These are the icons you are seen on our screen: Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Pinterest are the icons of social media. PPC advertising. Oh, very PPC advertising means pay per click. Though the goal of your digital marketing strategy may be to bring in as such organic traffic as possible, your business should not ignore the value of pay per click ads. PPC ads are a type of advertising that involves paying the ad publisher every time a new lead clicks on your ad. Google Ads is one of the most popular and effective types of PPC ads. Google Ads helps your business appear on the first page of the search engine result. The very much most of people like and want their website always on Google results first page. if you are if you are doing PPC